Today in Chicago is January the 2nd, and it's the second day of the worst winter storm ever in 40 years. Snow's blasting out there. There's not a single soul in the merchandise mart. And the wind was so strong yesterday that it knocked down our chair. And Charlie's gonna go out there to play because he likes the snow. Charlie, come on. Oh my God. Go get it. Go out there. Oh my God. Okay. Charlie, go get it. It's so heavy. Go get it. Go out there. Stop eating it. Charlie, go. 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 Oh my God. No. Stay. Go out there. Go get it. Go get it. Go. Charlie, go get it. Charlie, go get it. Are you buried in snow? You're just gonna eat it? You're just gonna eat snow? Charlie, that's gross. Go get it. I'm gonna throw you a toy about that. Charlie. Uh-oh. Where's your ball? Charlie, where's your ball? Where is it, Charlie? You got it. No. Oh, shit. Ah, man. Here. Charlie. Go get it. Oh, that was easy. Oh, my God. Come here. Ew, David's gonna kill me. Look at this mess. Where's the ball? Go get it. Oh, Charlie.